Hi, welcome to Daniel's Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking a pastrami breakfast sandwich with 3 ingredients: butter, eggs, and pastrami. And then we have a loaf of bread that we're going to use later to put our items into. Now let's head over to the stove and start cooking. So now that we're here, we're going to start cooking. The first thing you want to put in is your butter. So I'm going to grab my butter right here. I'm going to just lift it up and drop it in the pan. That's way too hard. But whatever. So with the butter cooking, I'm gonna grab the pastrami already and I'm gonna throw it in on top. And you're just gonna want to make sure that you turn that over. Alright, now let's wait for the pastrami to cook. While the pastrami is cooking on the stove, we're gonna want to crack 4 eggs into a little dish. And when we crack these eggs, make sure you get no shell into them, because nobody likes to eat eggshells. So I got 2 eggs, 3 eggs, and 4. Now once I crack all my eggs in, I'm just gonna grab a little fork and I'm gonna whisk them like this, trying to make sure that I get some air in them. Whenever you cook eggs like this, you're not trying to mix them out. What you're trying to do is get them nice and fluffy before they go in the pan. Because if you don't get them nice and fluffy, then there was no point to this step. So as you can see, you're gonna wanna really make sure that you're getting all that air in there. Make sure you keep an eye on your pastrami too, don't let that burn. But as we cook, we just like to make sure that our eggs get nice and fluffy. And that looks good right there, so I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna take it over to the stove. Alright, so now that we have basically the pastrami is nice and cooked right now, it's looking how I want it. I'm gonna grab a little bit of butter, drop that into the pan on the other side. I wanna push all my pastrami off to one side, throw the butter in on the other side where there's no pastrami. And after the butter starts melting a little bit, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is grab my eggs and I'm gonna throw it right on top over here. Now, the most important part right now is that you do not scramble your eggs yet. You want them to get nice and firm and you want them to get a shape of your own. So we're gonna let these eggs start hardening up, and in a couple of minutes we'll start scraping them.
A few moments later.
Alright, now that the eggs have hardened up a little bit on the bottom, I'm going to start scraping them up together. I'm going to start scrambling them. I'm still not going to mix them in yet because I want to really make sure that I'm getting the eggs scrambled first. Because if you don't do that, what's going to happen is your eggs are just going to form all over your pastrami. It will still taste good, but you won't have those egg chunks that you like. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm using the wrong utensil for this. It's all okay. I'm gonna flip over my pastrami a little bit. You can already see some bits of egg on my pastrami. And then once my eggs are forming up, I'm gonna bring those two together. That way they're mixed, but they're not so mixed that the egg is overpowered. You wanna make sure that the egg can come up and say, hey, friends, I'm still there, because everybody deserves a shot. So we're just gonna nicely mix all of that up. Place it on the pan. We're gonna leave that just to simmer for a little bit. Now that the food's done cooking and we already have our toast ready, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab a huge glop of that. Oh, a huge glop, like that much right there. Throw it on top of your bread, smush it down, and then bam! You have yourself a pastrami egg breakfast sandwich. You're welcome.